Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
That was a very good function, and I hope within 1 year I will reach all these types of institutions in Goa and extending and participating in my own way in this process. And I would like to request good people, rich people, people are on the top of the society would come forward. Nobody is an orphan because God is there. Of course, disablement may be there, shortcomings may be there, but we will try to extend our help for coexistence with all of them and these children, these girls. What's their future? Nobody can predict.
Aashiyana shelter home has got 33 girls, but we have been able to touch lives of almost 175 to 180 girls. Few girls have got married from here. Some children have gone for higher education and some have taken up jobs. We also have a tie-up with a local hospital here where they have been kind enough to tell us that after the children pass out from here, after they have their age of 18 years, you can send them to the hospital for training as nurses. It would have been a very difficult task if it was not for Madam Alina Saldana. She has taken a lot of effort to come with us to the then Chief Minister, Shri Lakshmilan Parsekar sir, and we could manage to get the permission for the primary school.